In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy or place an order from Costco online. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Costco website. Once you're on the homepage, sign in to your Costco account. If you don't already have an account, simply select the option to create one and complete the registration process before continuing. After you've successfully signed in, you'll have access to the full online shopping experience. You can browse through the different product categories available on the website, or use the search bar to quickly find the item you're looking for. For this example, let's search for Apple Watch. Once you see the product you want, click on it to open the product page. On the product page, take a moment to review the available information. You'll be able to see the product details, specifications, and any manuals or guides that may be provided. After confirming that it's the item you want, click the Add to Cart button. A confirmation window will appear giving you the option to continue shopping or view your cart. If you're finished adding items, select View Cart to review everything before checking out. Inside your shopping cart, you'll see all of the products you've added. If there's an item you don't want to purchase right now, simply use the Save for Later option to remove it from your active cart while keeping it available for a future purchase. Once you've confirmed that your cart only contains the items you want, you're ready to continue. Next, choose your preferred fulfillment method. You can select standard shipping and view the estimated delivery date, choose express shipping for faster delivery, or select warehouse pickup if you'd rather collect your order from a nearby Costco warehouse. If you choose pickup, select your preferred warehouse location before continuing. Once you've made your selection, click Checkout. During checkout, review your shipping address carefully to make sure it's correct. If any changes are needed, use the Edit option to update the address before moving forward. Next, enter your payment information using your preferred credit or debit card. You'll also review your billing address. If it's the same as your shipping address, simply select the appropriate option to use the same address. After confirming your payment details, continue to the shipping options and provide any remaining information needed to complete your order. Once everything has been reviewed and all required information has been entered, you'll be able to finish the checkout process and place your Costco online order. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,